Hi boys and girls, it's me, Miss Denise, and Ollie the Crow. Welcome to Creative Kids Virtual Preschool. It is story time with Miss Denise and Ollie. I cannot wait to read our new story today. Are you excited, Ollie? Yeah, it's going to be a fun story about an apple. Have any of you guys ever gone apple picking in the fall? Yeah? I have too. Apple picking is lots of fun, and sometimes we'll get enough apples collected in our basket that we will make an apple pie when we get home. That's yummy. Apple pie is one of my favorites. How about you, Ollie? Yeah, you too? What about you guys? You like apple pie too? Oh, cherry? Yeah, cherry's it. I think cherry might be my all-time favorite pie, but I do love a good homemade apple pie too. Okay, well, before we read our story, you know that we have to sing our hello song. So will you sing with Ollie and I? You will? Okay, Ollie, will you sing with us? Yeah? Are you ready? Okay. Are you ready? Let's go. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Hello to you, hello to you, hello to you, hello to me. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Oh, great singing, Ollie. Okay, so today we are going to read the super fun book called Bad Apple. Bad Apple, Ollie. It's a book about friendship. Okay, I'm going to put Ollie down. He's still going to listen to the story, but he's going to be down here so that I can use both of my hands. Okay, so this is called Bad Apple, A Tale of Friendship, and this is by Edward Hemingway. And Edward Hemingway also illustrated this book. So he wrote the book and he drew the pictures for the book. Ooh, look at that pretty red. Okay, there's the title page. Bad Apple. Mac was a good apple. He shared his toys with the other apples, and he helped Granny Smith pick up after art class. He loved to dive fearlessly into the watering hole. On one sunny day, Mac could bob for hours. He just loves to bob up and down in the watering hole because apples float on the water. Well, on cloudy days, Mac would search for the perfect pillow of green grass and take a long, long nap. In his dreams, it was always sunny. But one day, as Mac was sleeping, it began to rain. Uh-oh. Soon, all the little creatures in the earth around him poked their heads out to look for higher ground. Some of them found safety under large toadstools. A toadstool is like a mushroom. Others crawled into stones. See, those are toadstools. Others crawled onto stones and pebbles, but one small worm had an idea. When Mac woke up, he was covered in raindrops, and he wasn't alone. You won't believe the dream I just had. A funny little worm was tickling me right here. He had a dream. Was it a dream? I don't know. And now I can't seem to get him out of your head. It was you. And that's how Mac met Will. So who do you think this guy is? His name is Will. That's right. Well, Will showed Mac how to fly a kite. Showed him how to fly himself and play in the dirt. Oh, he just loved making a mess. Mac took his new friend to the watering hole to clean off. He couldn't remember a better day. He had such a good day with his brand new friend, Will. Until he took Will to the orchard. An orchard is where there's lots of apples. That's where you go apple picking, is an orchard. Look at Mac. He's got worms. Ooh, Mac's a rotten apple. I'm not rotten. I'm quite sweet, actually. And then they laughed. They were making fun of him, weren't they? Will cheered Mac up by reading aloud with some of his favorite novels. Mac liked the adventure stories best. He also liked it when Will finished his sentences for me. You know, the most exciting part is when the pirates find treasures in the dirt. But the next day, it happened again. Ha ha ha! It's the bad apple. Ew! Worms! They were making fun of him again. And no one in the orchard would play with them. Not even the crab apples. Bad apple. That's what they're saying. That night, the two friends sat alone on the grass without saying a word. In the morning, Will was nowhere to be found. His friend Will, he's nowhere to be found. You are a good apple, Will. Well, Mac went back to playing with his friends, his orchard friends, diving fearlessly into the watering hole and painting in Granny Smith's class. But nothing was the same. Why do you think nothing was the same? You think he missed his friend, Will? I think you're right. There was a hole in Mac that he couldn't fill. Not a big hole, just a teeny tiny little one. You know, a small hole big enough to fit what? What do you think? Yeah, his friend. Nobody was there to finish his sentences. Mac had to find Will. He searched high and he searched low and in between. In the dirt, around the watering hole, and just when he had given up all hope, he looked up into the sky, and what did he see? And who did he see? He saw Will reading some books. Mac knew he would rather be a bad apple with Will than a sad apple without him. I was hoping I could help me turn the pages. How did you know? Because you will always be a good apple in my book. Good and happy. And there's nothing bad about that. So, what happened in this story? There was an apple, right? Mac. And he had all sorts of fun playing with all of his other apple friends, didn't he? And then a little worm. He met a little worm. And what was that little worm's name? It was Will. And he really liked Will a lot. He did. But everybody teased him because he then had a little hole in the top of his head where Will stayed. And everybody was teasing him, I guess because maybe he was a little bit different and they were making fun of him and calling him names. So then Will, his friend, he left, didn't he? He did leave because he didn't want Mac to not have any friends, did he? No. But what happened? That's right. Mac, he missed his friend Will, and he thought it would be much more fun and better to be a bad apple with Will than to be a good apple without him. That's right. That's true friendship right there. That was a good book. I really enjoyed that one. Did you, Ollie? Yes. It's nice to have really good friends, isn't it? It is. Okay, well, we have got to sing our goodbye song, so are you ready? Okay, are you ready, Ollie? Ollie's ready. Let's go. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you. Goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Oh, good singing. Okay, Ollie's gonna blow his kisses. You guys get ready to catch him, okay? Okay, ready? He's ready. Mwah! 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 Oh, good job, Ollie. Will you guys blow kisses so Ollie can catch them? You will? Okay, are you ready, Ollie? Oh, there's one. Yeah. Oh, there's one. Another one. Yay! One more. Oh, there you go. Good job. Rub them on your cheek. Thanks, guys. We will see you next week with another story with Storytime with Miss Denise and Ollie. Bye-bye.